Hey y'all, welcome back to Main Streets and Back Roads. Today it's almost Christmas time and we have stumbled across something in Transylvania, North Carolina, aluminum Christmas trees. I was born in '72 and I remember growing up, my parents didn't have a lot of money, so we even had hand-me-down Christmas ornaments. Different aluminum trees is what this is all about here, and I think they have some vintage ornaments in there as well. Let's check it out.
Hi, welcome to the museum. My name is Ann. I'm one of the docents here, and this is the Transylvania Heritage Museum, and our exhibit now is the aluminum tree.
So tell us about the house.
The house, it was built by, what's his name? First name, Thomas England, and it's held his family and several other families over the years.
Can you tell us a little bit about Transylvania?
Transylvania.
Because it's a cool name.
It is a very cool name. It has absolutely nothing to do with vampires. Come on in. This is a small museum. Do not expect a huge amount of time. It would be lovely to have another site that had space. What you can do is just walk through following the arrows.
Gotcha.
And we all know how to follow the
See, I would
arrows
have said
now.
I would say they look like Christmas trees.
They sort of do.
They do. They look like Christmas trees.
Thank you for stopping by, and Merry Christmas from the Transylvania Heritage Museum. Bye-bye.